Hello and welcome to the 8th Emerging India Awards. I'm Shireen Bhan. Last week on the series, we brought you innovations of 3 of our entrepreneurs from the global sector, and you heard Vijay Chandok of ICICI Bank share his insights on what these companies can do to hit the big league. This week on the Emerging India series, we highlight the pharma sector in the country, and we speak to the mentor for today's episode, Kiran Mazumdar, on what problems the SMEs today have to face. But first, let's take a look at where the pharma industry stands today.
In recent years, the Indian pharmaceutical industry has been witnessing phenomenal growth rates, with the small and medium enterprises contributing extensively to this. SMEs today account for around 87% in production by volume and 40% by value in the pharma industry. The emergence of the sector as a strong player in the Indian pharmaceutical industry can be attributed to favourable government policies, like the exemption from the Drug Price Control Order, reservation of drugs for exclusive production in small-scale sector, process patent regime permitting them to develop their own process of making drugs at lower costs, and preference in procurement for growth in government health services. Projected to be the 10th largest market by 2015 with $20 billion, Indian generic drug makers are making strides across the world. The country has emerged as one of the preferred global suppliers of high-quality drugs and intermediates at cost-effective prices. The growth of the domestic pharmaceutical industry has in fact outperformed the growth of the global pharmaceutical industry. The industry has also paved the way for clinical trials outsourced by companies involved in innovation. Several domestic partners are also facilitating this process by providing a scope for basic research facilities. Today, Indian pharmaceutical products are exported to over 200 countries across the world, including highly regulated markets of USA, Europe, Japan and Australia. An increase in consumption and a strong export market has contributed to the growth of the industry, which has presented several opportunities for partnership. One of India's biggest biopharmaceutical company, Biocon, was founded by Kiran Mazumdar in 1978. With over 30 years of experience in the industry, Ms. Shaw proves to be an ideal mentor for SMEs in the industry.
The opportunities are enormous. If you think about it, today India is a country that is at last talking very seriously about having access to healthcare, right to healthcare. So there is an emerging opportunity in this space because, if you think about the fact that the government is at last going to reimburse the healthcare sector in some way, then the opportunities are huge. So if you look at just essential drugs, okay, today there's a big challenge of large companies trying to offer essential drugs at the kind of cost levels that the government expects. So when you look at that, then I think smaller companies at their much lower operating costs would be able to play in that space.
Advanced Enzymes Technologies has emerged a worldwide leader in the production of plant, microbial and animal-based enzymes. The company started operations in India in 1989 and has emerged the largest manufacturer of enzymes in the subcontinent. Let's take a look at the story.
Advanced Enzymes produces a full spectrum of enzymes derived from all 4 natural origins: plant, fungal, bacterial and animal. The company's extensive research has led to the development of more than 400 unique enzyme products, making it a major value provider to processing industries and nutrition suppliers world over. Advanced Enzymes is a pioneer in creating value and providing solutions to its clients globally.
Tell me a little bit about your operations at Advanced Enzymes. What do you do at Advanced Enzymes?
Yeah, like our name, if you look at very closely, Advanced Enzyme Technologies, we do exactly what is being conveyed in our name. So advancement in enzyme technology is our basic business, and you will see a small punchline there where enzyme is life.
Right, yes.
So here this is not a business for us, this is our mission to provide eco-safe solutions and health to everybody.
Can you give me some examples of some sectors where your enzymes are being used currently?
Well, we are by and large, right from our inception, we have been a giving enzymes for human health care. So this has been nutrition or human health has been our basic way which we began all the time, and they are using everything. They are using, you name it, and they are using from head to toe in leather processing, in paper we use, in textile, clothes we wear, clothes we process. They are used in every aspect of life.
And some challenges that you think you might encounter on the way in the next 5 years?
I think the challenges are same all the time to us, because enzyme is the only biochemical form non-destructive energy. Rest all energies do not have viveka. Viveka means discrimination power. Like suppose I put a fire right now,
Yeah.
it will do its job, but it doesn't know that you are sitting here.
Yes.
It will burn you also along with other things. But enzyme knows exactly what to do and what not to do. One of the main challenge for us is human resources, and this is a highly capital intensive industry because it takes a lot of time, because we need people from all disciplines. So when you go around our company, we've got people from every walks of life.
Yeah. Okay.
We got a paper technologist, we got leather technologist, we got a textile technologist, we got a pharmaceutical pharmacist, we got a biochemist, microbiologist. So you name it, a food technologist. So you name all. In food technology, we got people who are only specialized only in wine, somebody only in brewing, somebody only in baking, like that.
So how are you balancing this expenses of R&D?
Innovation only comes when you are challenged, and we love challenges.
Okay.
And that's why all our income always has been plowed back. We seldomly gave money to the so-called cash money to our either to the investing families or investors. So too, we always build the value.
Okay.
So all income kept on plow backing in the building of the business only.
And what percentage of your sales come from exports?
Almost our international business is 2/3 of our total. Currently 2/3 to 70%.
And are you looking to expand to more countries now?
Yeah, naturally. See, if you talk to any so-called marketing pundits, they'll say a successful product you expand geographically, isn't it?
Yes.
And innovate create new product to expand in your market. So they have their life cycle. So we do keep on doing on a constant basis. One success story we get it somewhere in suppose China or US or in India. We like to spread it to geographically across all geographies.
Okay.
And innovate new and create new markets.
We'll get our mentor for this episode, Kiran Mazumdar, the Chairman and Managing Director of Biocon, to give her solutions to the problems raised by advanced enzymes, but that's in a short while. For now, it's time for a quick break. On the other side, watch the growth stories of two more entrepreneurs. You're watching the 8th Emerging India Awards. Stay tuned.